In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok Ai for file analysis 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload a file to Grok, ask a clear prompt, and get instant results you can use right away. First, head to grok.com in your browser. Once the page loads, look to the left-hand side for the main navigation. That sidebar is your control center. From there, open the chat area. This is where you'll interact with Grok in a conversational way and attach files for analysis. Inside the chat window, find the paperclip or upload icon near the message box. That's your shortcut to bring a document into the conversation. Click it, then choose the option to upload a file. A file picker will appear so you can select what you want Grok to analyze. Choose your file type based on what you're working with. Grok commonly supports PDFs, CSVs, plain text files, and Word documents, among others. Select the document from your computer and click Open to confirm. If your file is large, give it a brief moment to finish uploading. As a best practice, avoid sending anything confidential unless you're comfortable with it, and consider trimming huge files to just the sections you need. Now, you're ready to prompt Grok. Type a clear, specific instruction that tells the model exactly what to do with the file. Clarity matters here. Instead of a vague request like analyze this, aim for a concrete task, the intended format of the answer, and any constraints you care about. For example, you might write, remove all the numbers in this file. You can keep it that simple. Or you can add context like, return the cleaned text only. Send your prompt, and Grok will generate a response almost instantly. You'll see the output appear directly in the chat. If you ask to remove numbers, expect to receive a cleaned version of your text without digits. If your file was tabular, Grok may present processed data or a neatly formatted summary depending on your instruction. Take a moment to review the result. If it's close but not perfect, refine your prompt right in the same thread. You could follow up with details like keep punctuation, preserve headings, or show only the updated sections. Iterating with small, precise tweaks usually gets you to exactly what you need. That's all there is to it. Open Grok, go to chat, upload your file, give a clear prompt, and let the model do the work. With a thoughtful instruction, you'll get fast, reliable file analysis in just a few clicks.